Hello, this is Archana. Today we are going to see wireless network generation 4th 4G2 up to 6G. Evolution of wireless network connection 4G to 6G. The evolution of wireless network connection has undergone significant transformations from the early days of 0G to the current 5G and the emerging to 6G. The 0G is a pre-circular era and also known as a P-circular era, refers to the early wireless communication system that existed before the introduction of circular networks. This era saw the use of radio telegraphy systems such as the one developed by Guglielmo Marconi, which was used to send emergency SOS messages. Radio communication used for voice and data transmission, limited coverage and capacity. 1G, the first generation. It was the first generation of wireless communication technology that enabled mobile phones to make and receive calls. 1G networks used analog signals to transmit voice message, which result in poor voice quality and limited capacity. The first mobile phones are bulky and heavy with limited functionality. Yes, 1G networks did not support data transmission, which meant that user could not send or receive text message, emails, or accessibility of internet. Second G, it's a second generation of circular network. It introduced at 1990s. It was a significant improvement over the first G and introduced digital technology to mobile communication. 2G used digital signal to transmit voice messages, which result in improved voice quality and reduced noise. 2G networks introduced text messaging, which allows user to send and receive any short messages. 2G networks support data transmission, which enable user to access the internet, send emails and use other data services. Third generation, it introduced early in 2000s. It was a significant improvement over the second G and introduced faster data speeds, improved voice quality, and supported video calling and mobile broadband. 3G network had faster data speeds, which enabled users to access the internet, send emails, and use other data service at the speed of 2 Mbps. 3G network support video calling, which enabled users to make video calls to other 3G users. Fourth generation. It introduced at late 2000s. It was significant improvement over the 3G and faster data speed, improved voice quality, and supported the mobile broadband and even the IoT applications. 4G network had faster data speeds, which enabled users to access the internet, send emails, and use other data service at speeds of up to 100 Mbps. 4G network had an improvement voice quality, which resulted in clear and more reliable voice calls. 4G networks support IoT applications which enable user to connect devices such as smart home device, wearables and vehicles to the internet. Fifth generation, it is in a latest generation of wireless technology. It was introduced in 2019 and it designed to provide faster data speeds, lower latency and greater connectivity, and 5G networks has faster data speed compared to the 4.3Gs with speed of 20 Gbps, and this support mission critical communication which enables the user to communicate in emergency situation and supports the IoT applications, and enables the user to connect the device such as smart home device, variable and vehicles to the internet. Sixth generation of circular network known as the 6G. It is then a next generation of wireless technology that is expected in the mid of 2020s, but expected to provide even faster data speeds, lower latency and greater connectivity than 5G network. It expected to support quantum computer, artificial intelligence, and which will enable new application and service, and also expected to have greater connectivity with the ability to support a large number of devices. You can see this table, it will represent the comparison of wireless network generation.